Hello everyone. Finally, under the purchase module in settings, under the setting items in purchase module, we will look at the final permission, order return and currency rates. This setting, one, help control access, manage supplier returns and handle multi-currency purchases effectively. Under permission, you find the permissions and that enable management of the purchase module for staff. So ideally, the role of the staff will be employee, and if you have the specific name of the employee, once they're set up in the system, you pick up the name of the employee or staff and give them specific rights within the system. So like they can create or edit, somebody can create purchase vendors, purchase vendor items, purchase requests, quotations, orders, different rights to different staff. Remember, once you give a staff a right to order or to create a purchase invoice, they can, or you can fully give these rights to one person only, so that they have all the rights. So you have the employee role, and who are the employees? The names will appear here. You pick the employee. So employee one is a junior. Their work probably will be to create only purchase item, and they are not allowed to edit or delete. If they need to edit, then that right is with another employee who can log in and edit the item. This employee can do purchase requests and can only do purchase requests that are his own, or he can do all the organization purchase requests, and he can create, he can edit, but once he creates and edit, he cannot, or they cannot delete. Somebody else has to approve, and that's how we set the permissions in the system. Then order returns, just the numbering that order return, next order return number is 1, that remains there unless you want to change that for existing business. And then finally we have currency rates. Currency rates automatically getting from the system. We can't say they be stored for say 2 days or 3 days, and then from which currency to which currency, and the system is able to get online currency. These automatically help us in currency translation, especially when we are purchasing from vendors of different currency and we want to report in our own currency. That marks the end of settings for the purchase module. In the next video, we're going to look at items and then all how we do purchasing. Thank you for watching.